Joining us now, CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis with a closer look at how these changes could affect you and me, the average consumer, everybody at home. So first up, we know this law is establishing the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. That's going to regulate mortgages, credit cards, student loans. What does it really mean?
All the things, Erica, that we deal with on a daily basis as consumers are now going to fall under the jurisdiction of this Consumer Protection Bureau. And there are a lot of things that we'll see as changes in our lives as a result. For example, mortgages. Clearly a big problem with the crisis that we face have been housing prices as well as mortgage crises. And we will see as consumers big relief for mortgages. So, for example, if you got an adjustable rate mortgage, it used to be that you couldn't pay it back without paying a big penalty, pay it back early without paying a big penalty. Now you will see the relief in that you can save those thousands of dollars in penalties because you can pay it back without paying the penalty. On top of that, banks now, they are forbidden from giving out bonuses for particular types of mortgages. So in some cases, back in the crisis, they would give out a mortgage that was bad for us, but good for them. They can't do that anymore.
Because they would make a little extra money off of it. I know credit scores are also going to be affected here. Talk to me about how, because that's always so confusing.
Well, and of course, our credit score is the thing that gives us every opportunity in the financial world. The way credit scores will be impacted is that we will be able to learn our credit score. If you go out and apply for a loan, you apply for a credit card, you apply for an apartment, and you get turned down for that, you have every right to ask for a free credit score and to understand the reason that the vendor turned you down.
What a novel concept. You get access to your own information.
Exactly.
I love that. There's also a change about how you pay for things at the register.
Yes, there will be some big changes at the register. First of all, you probably are going to have to carry a little more cash on hand if you want to go out and get a cup of Java, for example, because merchants under the new regulations are allowed to set limits on the amount that you can spend with a credit card. So, for example, you walk up to the register, they say no purchases with a credit card under $10.
Right.
They're allowed to do that.
Which you actually see a lot of now, or they ask you not to.
You do, and now it's legal.
And they also, I've noticed this in some stores charge you less, or even a gas station, if you pay with cash or a debit card as opposed to a credit card. That's going to be more permissible as well.
That's permissible. What is not permissible, Erica, is if they try and say you get a deal for using one credit card over another. You can't have one credit card be, for example, Amex, a better deal than Visa.
Gotcha. Rebecca, good to have you here as always. Thanks for
Erica.
breaking it down.